Hello everybody and welcome back to Theme Park Coastin and our first video from 2022 where we'll be looking at all of the places that we're hoping to visit throughout this year. And with me today we have got Adam and Jayden as we go into detail about all of our planned, booked and hopefully going to go to trips of this year. Okay, starting off over in February, we are planning to go towards Disneyland Paris. Now with the recent investments of the Disneyland Paris annual passes, we're trying to make the most of it to start off our year over in February over a weekend over towards the parks. We're going to be heading up over on Friday, staying overnight, hopefully in somewhere like David Crockett, and then the first day we'll be heading over towards the main Disneyland Paris park, and then the second day for Hollywood Studios before returning home. And that trip is really just an estimate at the moment. We're not 100% sure we're doing it. It's not definitely booked, so plans could all change in terms of that. But with the investment of the passes for another trip we're going to talk about in the future, we thought we might as well make the most of them and head somewhere over in February.
So next up is going to be the first trip in April, and this is going to be heading out to Denmark for our first ever time to Legoland Builand, and they're going to be opening 8 new attractions, so that's going to be a pretty good year for Legoland Builand. And also as well, we'll be getting season passes out there, so it means we're going to make a lot of visits back and maybe even at Halloween for their fireworks as well. Oh, it's going to be so good.
So next up we're heading to Disneyland Paris in May, and this trip is official. We've booked it all and we're going with Hugo. And we're doing both parks and I can't wait.
Between May and August, we are still planning to do many more trips for you guys. We're not 100% sure on what we're planning to do yet. We're still in the progress of trying to work out the best trips that we can do on the channel, most unique parks and best places to go. Of course, we've still got all the UK parks from March all the way up towards the close season, but I'm not going to mention them in this video. But in terms of the broad parks, which we're kind of going ahead and doing right now, we're possibly going to do another trip back towards Denmark as well as Disneyland Paris to do those 2 parks due to having a season pass. On top of that, the other 2 really possible trips at the moment is firstly Energylandia. Now this is our first consideration because we want to get that amazing RMC Zadra. Still haven't been there yet, so we might be doing a weekend trip over there on the channel, and it is really cheap flights as well, so that'll make more chance of us going towards that park. The second plan is possibly to go over towards Phantasialand. Now this is a little bit more expensive than Energylandia, but we feel such classics as of course Taron, Fly and Black Mamba, which are some awesome rides, as well as the theming located around the park. It really is on my bucket list, and it would be amazing if we can get to those parks before August. But August is when it gets cool.
So August is going to be a pretty big month, and you know, it's going to be probably the best month of the whole year. So we are actually going to be going out to the United States, and to start off with, we are going to go to New York. Unfortunately, we probably won't be doing any theme parks around that area, and I know Coney Island is there, but we probably wouldn't be able to go there due to it being about 2 hours from our hotel, so it is quite far, but we will be going to New York anyway. Then we'll be driving up to Niagara Falls. I know it's not really theme parky, but from here on out, this is where it gets a lot of theme parks done. So then we'll be driving down past a theme park which I've now forgot the name of, but it's got Ravine Flyer too, so I'll be very excited to get to that park. And then this is the big one of the trip. This is Cedar Point, and yeah, we'll be spending 2 days here. This is a theme park which I've always wanted to get to. You've got Steel Vengeance, Maverick, Topple Dragster, Millennium Force. Honestly, it just goes on forever. But after this, we will be driving down to Kings Island to experience rides like Orion, Mystic Timbers and so much more. So yeah, these 2 parks are very big bucket list parks to me, and I'll be very excited to get to them. However, after this, we will be actually driving down the whole way through America. So yeah, we'll be driving down to Dollywood, which obviously you've got Lightning Rod, and nobody can forget about that coaster, but you've also got Wild Eagle and so much more. So yeah, Dollywood just looks like a beautiful park in general. But after that, we'll be heading down to Georgia to hopefully experience Six Flags Over Georgia, which has got an RMC. And then this is another big coaster of the trip. Then Fun Spot Atlanta to experience Airy Force 1. So yeah, that's going to have 2 RMCs in one day, so that'll be very exciting. However, after this, we will be going down to Florida. And yeah, I'll let Jayden talk about this bit.
So next, yeah, we have Florida, and I am going. I'm going up 4 days before them, I think, and we'll be experiencing a lot of stuff like Universal Orlando, all the Disney parks, and we'll also be staying in Coronado Springs, which is the hotel at Disney World. We'll be filming every single day there, and we'll be doing so many roller coasters like Velocicoaster, Hulk, Expedition Everest, and it's going to be amazing.
wow, it's all I can say about those trips. It is going to be so exciting to head to our biggest roller coaster and theme park year over on the channel, but it's not over yet. We still have September, which we're probably not going to do any trips in, all getting back to school and everything and stuff like that. Then finally over towards October for Halloween season, which we're then going to hopefully, of course, do all the UK parks, Fright Night, Scarefest. So excited for those events, but also if we do get a chance, it'd be great to head abroad again to France as well as Denmark to experience our 2 annual pass parks for their Halloween season 2. Finally, going towards December, I would like to squeeze in one more trip to Disneyland Paris before the end, so we might go 2 months in a row if we can afford it. But that is basically it from all of those events that we're hoping to head to and all the countries. Now, of course, plans may change later on, whereas none of this is actually settled down. A few trips have been booked, like our big American trip, as well as Disneyland Paris, but all the other ones haven't even been booked yet. We started saving up for some, we started even getting to hotel points for some as well, so it is getting close to getting them all arranged, but at the moment these are the trips that we are planning to head to in 2022. I would love to hear what you guys are doing. Please comment down below, and a big thank you to Adam and Jayden for joining me in this video as well. But that is it really from me, Tom Derrick from Theme Park Coastin, and our announcement of the 2022 video, which was a brand new idea on the channel. I don't know if you guys like it or not. If you do enjoy it, please do like, subscribe and comment down below saying that you've loved this video right here, as it shows that you guys enjoyed the announcement video and we'll make another one next year. But I'll see you guys later for another Theme Park Coastin video and our first vlog of the 2022 season. Goodbye from me, and we'll see you soon.